Hey, assalamu alaikum guys. So in this video we're going to start about the video series of Python, and from this video we're going to start print function. Print is a output function that is used to print output at the screen. Okay, so print, we have two type of prints, hard copy and soft copy. So here print is as for soft copy that is shown on your output here on screen. So here I'm gonna write some code and we will explain you later. Okay, so here I've written write a function that is print, and function and parentheses, these small brackets are known as parentheses, are denote that this is a function, and in this parentheses we have coded our string. That means the words and the character are are deal as same as it is they are. So here uh, that's how let's run this. It doesn't require any input, so just run it. What the answer would be, here the hello word is being printed at the output. So this is the main idea of print function. And if I wanna repeat the same line again and again, mean I have to print the hello world many times. Let's multiply it with the number of times to be repeated and printed. So the string hello world is multiplied by 5. So let's see the output. Let's run and see the output. So hello world will be printed 5 times. So that would be a message. So here I'm gonna use the escape sequence, that is backslash, and that means every iteration leads to next line. So let's run this, and here the hello world is been printed 5 times. So here I've just studied about the function, and let's talk about if I wanna uh, uh, print multi-lines from single instruction. So here I have done here I have written print function, and now I'm gonna use three quotations, single quotation 3 times, and write whatever on line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay, so here let's until that these codes. So let's see the output would be. Let's run this code. Let's see. The output is in 3 lines without using even any escape sequence. This escape sequence is used for generating a new line. And what if we are not using the 3 simple codes? Let's do this. Double quotes, I'm writing line 1, and then backslash and new line, and line number 2, and backslash, and then line 3, and then quotation closed, bracket closed, and let's see what the output would be. The same, but here a little bit tricky, where the escape sequence is to be used. So the output is same. So next, what does why does print function is important? Okay, so this was the print function, and let's talk about a little bit of variables. Let me declare a variable of age is equal to 18. That's, by the way, not my age. Age is equal to 18, and print what is stored in age. Here the function will print the value of age because age is not written in quotations. So let's see the output. Is outputting 18. So that's what our print function does in Python. So let's start studying a new concept. Let me talk about class. Uh, Classes is equal to first year in 11, height is equal to 5.6, 5.5, and name is equal to Jack. So here these variables are declared and initialize the value of 11, 55 and Jack respectively. 11 is the value of classes. Wherever the word classes would be used, the value of classes will be taken. As here it is 11 and height is stored. The value of height is 5.5 and the Jack is stored in name variable. Okay, so let's print out how our print classes, print height, name. Let's see what the output will be. So the 11 and 5.5 and Jack would be our output and reverse. So here we have just learned that how strings are, how variables are used to store data and can be printed. Okay, so see, if I wanna add something, let's name is equal to Jack. I wanna print name is equal to Jack. So Jack is storing in the name variable, and what I need for at the left side of Jack, name is equal to, I'm gonna write it in quotations, and name is equal to and quotation of this will be printed as it is, and then plus operator that will combine those two variables. Name, the value of name is Jack. Name is equal to Jack will be our output. So you can see at the last line, and remaining arithmetic operation can be performed on the numeric data type. There are two data types that are numeric, like integer and float. This is data type is integer, okay, and this data type is float, and the next data type is a string. So if I wanna add something to the classes plus 3, so what will be our answer? The 11 and 3 will be added, and the answer must be 40. Let's check it out. And here name is equal to Jack, and then 40 is our output. So here we have discussed the two main topics of our course. What are those? Name, print function, and variables. And why we call them variables? Because their value can be changed. Let's name a variable. Let's update a value of variable. Let's name is equal to Ahmed and print it out. print name. So here the same variable and here the same variable, but the values would be changed or the out. How that happens? Let's see. Jack and then because at first we have the value of name as Jack, and then we updated this value to Ahmed, and print function would print the value that is storing name, that is Ahmed. So that has been printed on the screen. So this was our little video on how what are variable and what print function is, and why this is so powerful. Python programming language. This is a dynamic type language. This concept will be covered in next video, where we're going to talk about the input function. So see you in that video. Take care.